Well, Colorado's congressional delegation is circling the wagons tonight to make sure U.S. Space Command headquarters does not leave Colorado Springs for Alabama. A just released report from the Defense Department Inspector General suggests moving it to Alabama is the best decision. And tonight, Alabama lawmakers claim President Trump will announce this move this month. Glad to have you with us this Tuesday night. I'm Shannon Ogden. Now, Denver 7 poured over the 2023 report from the Inspector General. 54 pages, very thick, heavily redacted, but we dug through it all and we pulled out all the key points for you. First, the IG said moving Space Command to Huntsville, Alabama would save the government $426 million, quote, because of lower personnel costs and construction savings. Now, a major drawback to moving it to Alabama from Colorado Springs was brought up by Space Command's commander at the time, General James Dickinson. Now, General Dickinson told the Air Force Secretary, quote, there is a risk that most of the 1,000 civilians, contractors, and reservists will not relocate to another location. Space Command staff also noted that constructing operational facilities and reestablishing secure mission-critical networks would take 3 to 4 years. And boy, moving Space Command out of the Springs would be such a gut punch to them. The Congressional Research Service shows 1,700 people work at headquarters. The Colorado Springs Chamber of Commerce cited a 2021 report that said Space Command brings in some $450 million a year to that community. And that's on top of the $500 million to $1 billion in construction on new facilities for Space Command. Those projects right now are on hold. The IG report concluded that the site in Alabama was the preferred location for Space Command. But the Air Force Secretary never made a final decision. Then in July 2023, President Biden decided to leave it in Colorado, a decision Alabama Republicans claim was based on politics. I know that is a lot, and I promise we'll stay on top of this very important story and let you know what happens next.